Good morning. Today we're K&M Manufacturing. We're going to be doing a video on the installation of a sidekick or buddy seat into a 7800 7810 John Deere tractor. Showing the items of the kit that will be provided by K&M. Also, the tools needed will be a 1-inch hole saw, sockets, and a drill. The template is a way of checking if it will fit into your tractor. We recommend that you take the template, cut it out, and make a cardboard pattern. It will be easier to work with in the tractor. Once you have the cardboard template, take it to the tractor. Once you have your cardboard template cut, it will place on the door hinge. It'll line up with the door and with the hard plastic. This will give you your 4-bolt pattern, which you can drill. Drill through with about a 1/4 inch bit first to locate where your holes are going to be. Once you have the 4 little holes drilled to mark the location, use your 1-inch hole saw and turn the drill slow. We'll keep from tearing your material. And you only do the top 2 holes. Once you have those drilled out, go back to your larger drill bit that will allow for a 17 millimeter, just over 3/8. Drill through. Okay, now we're going to assemble the parts of the seat that we can pre-assemble. One of the 10 millimeter carriage bolts go through the bottom. 1-inch spacer will come up from the bottom side. Seat belt bracket will curl down. Put a self-locking nut. Other side will be 1 bushing. Seat belt bracket with the bend up. Your unit. Will look as this, like this. Okay, once this is completed, we're ready to put into the tractor. Okay, once the seat is partially assembled, take up into the tractor. You'll put the 4 bushings, 2 bushings in each of the top holes for spacers. Once that is completed, we can insert the 4 bolts through the fender well. May want to open the seat up to get access. Insert the 4 bolts in, going through your seat belt bracket into the seat bracket. Okay, once the bolts are completed, then we go outside and put the nuts in from the back side. Once all 4 bolts are in, then we go to the back side of the fender. Bottom 2 bolts, get a flat washer. Flat washer and a self-locking nut on the bottom 2. Top 2. The other flat strap goes in place for reinforcing. Okay, once you have the bolts all started and the braces and the washers in place, tighten the 4 bolts up until tight. Once you have the bolts tight, final step is to install the seat belt with 2 10mm bolts, 2 flat washers, and retractable seat belt included. Place the 10mm bolt in the bracket. Tighten down the nut. Other bolt goes into the back side of the bracket. Tighten down the 2 remaining bolts and your seat is installed. To lower the seat, push the lever, rotate the cushion, line up hole, seat is in place.